Afna no de nsa mienu ne besoma so e. Mo mfa ne nsa ba ko mfa ne nsa mienu nso mo so e. Sebe ya obetwa 2 times ni nyina. 2 hands, 2 times. 1 hand, 1 time. President John Dramani Mahama Obenante Boko say 7th January Obenante slow Afna no de nsam yenu ne besoma so e Oshers munyina ya maame achi mo mfa ne nsa ba ko mfa ne nsam yenu nso no so sebe ya obetwa 2 times ni nyina Hallelujah. 2 hands, 2 times. 1 hand, 1 time. Oh, Anna Presoya President, Brana Mincho said yes in President for
Hello, and Tisania Mohe no na odifo no or J offering kra like one minister we YBBA we are or J offering. And it's Oma this prophetic direction no. Na one here a man for adwene enkoso because he said it abra na OJ na enyebra o minister ne mo abra na OJ offerings. Enti moma ya adwene enkoso na yenhye na yema yam passing on kopim say Yerajo Mahama ebete especially obinim Sami Jamfia on Sunday ade we mfama no na omunyina nti na yama President Elijah Mahama yama na sonte na ohun say ebre no so na oso ina mani fa ne nsaba kon te say de Kufuado 2016 no ene 2020 no Yerajo Mahama on fa ne nsamienu enye senia oye no 2012 no. And you know, we are very, very important. Said Onyamiaka. We must make sure that from now going forward, the Nyame benam need for swaka. Aya direction be a yebetimi aye from no. We must make sure that yebeye na ede asumdue ebeba na de Nyame epese oyema o my Ghana no. Onyamiati maye. We nye NPP, we nye NDC, we nye Asante, we nye friend say Achim, we nye voter, we nye ubia. This is about Ghana. This is about how I am my Ghana bet me tumpon. Me and make say me a Santini, matu about my MPP all my life. But right now no, ye pese ya my no yetimi fa yentuma pa Efra. And unti no minti kase MPP and matu about ntino me a Santini ntino. And yeah, me kosoma support NPP abra omudi o mine eko amanemu. Enti asedan Kenya mesa ya change government na Yerajo Mahama eba. Enti ahoɔdini bia ye wo bia ye de be support Yerajo Mahama na watimi asasidi na o mine etima kwane nimu no eno enesese menu mienu ye. Se wo de se wo party who hia first before Ghana dia this page is not for you. Those people who I want to follow me are the people o mine who hia omu chain omu party and I say omu tribe. So right now, Ghana first. So share this message. Let it reach anybody who you know. Na yama Yerajo Mahama asonte se also ewenuma onfani samienu ensom. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.